Hey everyone, so this is Pam, your favorite paralegal and notary from Brooks Notary and Litigation Support. Back, and I have a video for you guys that I think is very important to consider as a notary, specifically a mobile notary. That is your safety. A few tips to keep you safe while you're out doing your signings. At the time of booking, always be sure to confirm the location. I personally use Google Maps and Street View so that I can get an idea of the area that I am being requested to show up in. You also need to be sure to confirm how many signers are going to be there. This is for two reasons. The first reason is because, of course, you want to be able to know how many signatures you're going to be notarizing, so you know how much to charge. Second is kind of for a temperature check. If it's dealing with some sort of property, probate, will, even power of attorney, it can be very difficult, or the clients can be very difficult because they may be at odds with each other and you kind of want to feel it out as best you can. I don't know how familiar you guys are with this particular situation, but unfortunately, this woman unalived someone in the process of a notary signing. The notary was there, and they were having a very contentious family issue regarding some property. And then there's pets. I've done a video before about pets and how making sure that you let your customer know that if they have pets that they're required to put them up before you get there. Because it's always somebody who says, yeah, no, they don't bite, they're sweet, and then you get there, they're growling at you, barking at you, and then you're afraid to even come into the house. They don't put the pets up, but you feel safe, then by all means proceed with the signing. But if you don't feel safe, do not proceed with the signing. No signing is worth the possibility of you being injured. One of the challenges with being a mobile notary is that you don't know the condition of someone's house until you walk into it. There have been times where I have signed in the car with the signer because I did not want to step foot into their home. Your safety is the most important thing, and always remember that. You do not have to accept unsanitary, unsafe, unhealthy conditions to conduct a signing, ever. Then there's the matter of a rude signer. You do not have to be subjected to someone being rude or disrespectful to you. You're there to perform a service, and don't ever be rude or disrespectful to them, because then that's an escalation and you don't want that type of energy surrounding you or your business. Overall, the intent of this video is not to scare you, just to make you aware. Always have situational awareness with any environment that you step into. This video is intended to help you prepare for different types of scenarios or situations that could arise while you're in the midst of a notary signing. I hope this information is helpful to you. Please share in the comments any strange or dangerous experiences that you may have encountered or maybe heard of as a mobile notary. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.